Tomorrow, a very big day. Oregon is going to be front and center at the U.S. Supreme Court. The justices will hear arguments in a Grants Pass case about where homeless people can or can't sleep. The case closely watched around the nation since it could affect camping restrictions in every city in the country. I spoke with one of the attorneys representing Grants Pass.
This is the last door for us to knock on.
Salem attorney Aaron Heisel is in Washington, D.C. today, getting ready for the oral arguments before the U.S. Supreme Court tomorrow. Grants Pass in southern Oregon bans camping in public places, like parks and sidewalks. Violators face a $295 fine or jail. But that law was challenged, and several courts, including the U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals, blocked the camping ban, ruling it unconstitutional, that it violates the Eighth Amendment, protection from cruel and unusual punishment, that you can't punish people for sleeping in a public place when there's no other adequate shelter. The decision is also based on a ruling years ago in Boise, Idaho, from the Ninth Circuit Court barring camping bans, again, if there's no alternative. Grants Pass has one overnight homeless shelter for adults, no low-barrier shelters, and over 1,000 people unhoused. But city leaders want the ability to regulate where homeless people can and can't camp.
But that there are people for a variety of reasons that cannot or will not utilize shelter. And you still have to have then a way to regulate it. And you've not, at least at a very minimum, to move people along so that they don't, usurp a piece of public property as their own indefinitely. Like we've seen in other cities where they're building full structures or something on public land.
On the other side, attorneys for the homeless people who filed the lawsuit argue that making someone a criminal for not having a home violates their rights and is cruel punishment. Disability Rights Oregon, one of several groups weighing in on behalf of the homeless, say criminalizing homelessness is not going to solve any problem in our communities. The Oregon Law Center, that brought the suit against Grants Pass and is now arguing the case, says penalizing people who need housing will not solve the bigger problems like not enough affordable or low-income housing, shelters, and behavioral health supports. They argue that denying someone a public place to sleep is cruel, unconscionable, and unconstitutional. Now, we will be following this case tomorrow morning very closely and have the latest on all our KOIN 6 newscasts.